I'm going to be shooting again.
Holy, look at all the ants.
Hope I don't get ants in my feet. You shoot. Yep. Sure did.
This is my Red Ryder, and I'm teaching Addie how to shoot for the first time. And her first shot, she already hit the target from about 30 yards. Proud dad moment here.
Let's see. Oh!
Right there.
Oh! Yeah! I got the cereal! Yep.
Good job, monkey butt.
Watch out, boys. I can shoot now. I always hit the target. Okay, you can get.
First miss.
I think it's cooler when you do it. Woo! Miss. Second miss. I'm sad. Dad, teach your kids how to shoot. I'm 7 and I already know how to shoot. You gotta keep the bad guys away.
Knock it over.
I want to see if you, got it. But hey, you were close.
Close doesn't count. Get the butt.
Hey! Let's go see. Let me see the butt. Airplane. Oh, somewhere up there, bird. No airplane. Well, there is an airplane, but just can't see it. Oh, I see it. I see it.
I don't.
Hi. Did you already do the thingy? Was like guns too, but I want to see it. I hit it. And I made it in. I got him right in the eye and I made it in there. See it? Do you have a boy and a girl? Do some things like shoot, like guns with your girls. Like, I'm talking to all of you parents and you dads and moms that are watching this with your kids. Kids need hobbies that aren't iPads, like tablets or phones or laptops. Getting outside is awesome. And doing that. Thanks for watching Addie's World. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Shooting guns now, shucking corn. I'm a little corn shucker.